In 12.3, we're going to move on to circular solids. So our first one is called a cylinder. So a cylinder looks kind of like a prism. You can see there's two bases, but the bases are circles. So if you have bases that are circles, they're going to be congruent and parallel to each other. We call that a cylinder. So our surface area formula for a cylinder is pi times the diameter times the height plus 2 pi r squared. All right, so this pi r squared, we know that's the area of a circle, so that takes care of a base. And because we're multiplying it by 2, that takes care of the two bases. So that's the area of your bases. The pi times the diameter times the height, that's the lateral surface of your cylinder. So it's all of this between your two bases. All right, our next shape that has a circular base, but only one, is called a cone. So it's similar to a pyramid, but the base is circular. So the formula for a cone is pi r L, and remember L stands for the slant height, plus pi r squared. So the pi r squared, that's the area of a circle, that takes care of your circular base, and we're adding to it pi r times the slant height takes care of the lateral area of the cone. So let me just label this a little bit. You know, we're using the radius, so the radius goes from the inside, from the center of the circle out to the edge, so that's your radius. Remember, the slant height is going to go from the vertex or the tip of the cone down to the edge of the circle, just like in a pyramid. So that is our slant height. Over here with the cylinder, the radius is from the center of the circle out to the edge of your base, so that's the radius. And then the height is the distance between the two bases, so that is your height. And then this one does call for the diameter. Diameter is if you just double the radius, that goes all the way across the base. All right, last we have a sphere. So the surface area formula for a sphere is 4 pi r squared. And the radius is from the center of the sphere out to the edge. All right, so those are our circular solids and the surface area formulas for them.